Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. It seems like there are new animated series coming out every week nowadays. It started off a few weeks ago with Masters of the Universe Revelation, then we had Marvel Studios' What If, and now on August the 23rd, Netflix will launch The Witcher: Nightmare of the Wolf. And I've just seen the trailer, it looks awesome, so I thought to myself, let's draw these characters in my own style. So let's go! Okay, let's draw Vesemir. I wanted to portray him wielding his sword with both hands, and in the background draw some monsters I saw in the trailer. In the coloring stage I will make the line art of the monsters lighter, which will give more depth to the overall piece. I really like the atmosphere of this series, and let me know if you want me to draw some more art related to The Witcher or other franchises you would like to see in my style. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. The Witcher: Nightmare of the Wolf is an upcoming animated dark fantasy film and not a series like I mentioned before in the intro. The film will be streamed on Netflix and is produced by Lawrence Smith Hisrich. It serves as a spin-off of the Netflix series The Witcher, and it focuses on the origin story of Geralt's mentor and fellow Witcher Vesemir. The film is scheduled to premiere on August 23, 2021. The world of The Witcher expands in this anime origin story. Before Geralt there was his mentor Vesemir, a swashbuckling young witcher who escaped a life of poverty to slay monsters for coin. But when a strange new monster begins terrorizing a politically fraught kingdom, Vesemir finds himself on a frightening adventure that forces him to confront the demons of his past. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of The Witcher. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!